show us where it is.
You've seen it there on the radar.
I've been watching the radar pictures, and you can see that light rain now beginning to move in through parts of Ventura County and LA County, but the heavy stuff still off the coast. You can see here beginning to move into Santa Barbara County. Yellows and oranges indicating some heavier thunderstorm cells, and we are expecting a chance for thunderstorms with this cold front as it moves through. I think the main rain band, the main cold front, still about an hour and a half away. It's very similar to yesterday. It is a quick moving storm, so that's the good news. The thing that's different with this system than yesterday's is that there's a lot of cold air with this system, strong gusty winds, and behind this cold front, it's not going to just be dry until tomorrow. We are looking at chances for more rain, thunder, lightning, so chance for scattered showers will continue throughout tonight and into tomorrow. We'll talk more about this system, plus there's several more behind it, because we are looking at more rain for the rest of the week a little bit later in weather. Gene and Lisa, hours outside, but getting heavy now as the leading edge of that cold front getting ready to move inland. Some heavy stuff that we're seeing on the looking at the radar, you can see a swath of moisture moving in now. Some heavier pockets moving into parts of the mountains where the recent burn areas, and of course Ventura County, you can see some yellows and oranges here. But lots of moisture just off the coast here, off of Santa Barbara, and that is going to continue to move our way here over the next several hours. Here's the time frame, I think. We've got two things I'm watching. The first storm getting ready to move in, that cold front. I think by 11 a.m. we'll start to see those showers getting really heavy this afternoon and this evening. The second one, I think after a brief lull late tonight, we'll be moving in. This one, I've been talking to the National Weather Service, packing a lot of cold air, even colder than the one we're seeing today. So tomorrow we could see even more in the way of thunderstorms and the possibility of more funnel clouds, water spouts, and tornadoes. But certainly not ruling it out today. That could be, again, possible this afternoon. We're expecting just today another 1 to 2 inches of rain over the coast and valleys, 2 to 4 over the mountains and foothills, maybe even 5 inches. Rainfall rates about up to 1.5 inches an hour. That is really concerning to those officials, especially in around the station fire, because at that rate, it could trigger the mudslides, definitely, and the rock slides. We're looking at that snow again above 5,000 feet. Windy conditions, especially ahead of this cold front coming out of the south. We're expecting wind gusts up to 70, 80 even miles per hour later on today. So watch out. And it causes extra activity out there. Rick was mentioning cold front to move in here with cold air, and that will mean the chance for thunderstorms throughout the rest of the afternoon and into tonight. Talking about rain on top of what we already saw yesterday, expecting another 3/4 of an inch of rain to 1.5 inches, 2 to 4 inches over the mountains and foothills. And we're very concerned about those thunderstorms that move through, because the rainfall rates in these systems could be anywhere from 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch per hour. And when it gets that strong, that can trigger the mudslides and the debris flows. So we're watching that area very carefully in the recent burn areas. Snow about 5,500 feet, expecting about another 8 inches or so. Flooding definitely possible. Very windy conditions associated with this system. Gusts out of the south-southwest expected anywhere from 50 to 60, even 70 mile per hour wind gusts expected. So very strong damaging winds out there today with these thunderstorms that will roll through.